Hey friends, it's Suzanne from Hairdo Salon. I am going to show you how to use Velcro rollers today. I'm going to show you two different techniques so that you've got some options. This first one I'm going to do is I'm going to heat up the hair with a blow dryer. I did squirt the hair down just a little bit before I started, just this piece. And I'm heating that hair up with my blow dryer. The key to Velcro rollers is to get the hair hot. Once you get the hair hot, then you wind it on the roller and then you let it cool down on the roller, and that's going to set your curl. So this first one was just heating it up with the blow dryer, gonna wrap that roller up. And the idea behind Velcro rollers is that they're supposed to kind of stick to the hair and hold in place. I struggled a little bit with that. I did take big sections. I took too big of sections. I was a little bit lazy and I was in a hurry today. But you'll see that I kind of go through and clip every now and then. So this piece of hair I'm going to heat up with a curling iron. So not necessarily making any particular curl pattern, just literally bringing it down the piece of hair, heating it up. And now I'm going to roll it, but I'm going to leave this little end out. That's just an option you can do. If you want your ends to be looser and straighter, kind of the trendy curls, you can certainly leave an end out and have it not be quite as bouncy. There's no rule that says you have to wind the whole thing up. And I'm going to do one more roller up here on the top. My intention on this one was to roll it just on air-dried hair and then heat it up with my blow dryer. It didn't go so well when I used my blow dryer. I blew all the hair all over the place. I made little pieces come out. It just made a mess. And it didn't even work that great. So I just cut that part. Just pretend. Pretend like I didn't do it. So this side I'm going to use my curling iron. Just going to heat that whole strand up, winding it all the way to the end to get those ends all the way in. And then once the hair is hot, I'm going to transfer the hair to a roller and I'm just going to roll it up. All right, just don't overthink it. Don't do too much. I would do a little bit smaller sections than I did because I really did. Well, you know what? Do whatever you want because it actually turns out really cute. And I did big sections and it was kind of messy and sloppy and it was still cute. So, but if you want it to look prettier when it's sitting there on your head, do smaller sections. All right, again, heating this piece of hair all the way up, all the way to the end, dropping it into my hand, grabbing my roller, and rolling that hair up onto the roller. I didn't have any hair for this to stick to, so I did have to grab a clip. And I just grabbed a hair clip. Don't overthink it. All right, this side I'm going to go back to my blow dryer. I'm going to kind of squirt that down just a little bit. I'm going to heat that piece of hair up with the blow dryer instead. Using the blow dryer is going to be a softer finish, not quite as curly. It's still really pretty. But it's just another option. Honestly, the curling iron is easier and it's faster and it's curlier. So whatever you want. Now, as far as your rollers are concerned, the size of the roller is what's going to set your curl. So I picked the big jumbo rollers for this set because I want it to be big and loose and bouncy. You can do whatever you want. But even though my curling iron is smaller than my rollers, the hair is going to take on the size of the roller because that's what it cooled down on. So my curling iron was a 1 1/4 inch, and that roller is, I think, 2 to 3 inches. And that's what's going to set the tone of my curl is the size of the roller because that's what it cools down on. So I'm going to heat this guy up again and then roll it on a big jumbo roller. And then once this is done, we wait and we wait. And I said, lick the ends out again, just as an option. So you want this hair to completely cool down all the way. 10, 15 minutes if you have time. Go eat breakfast, get dressed, do whatever you need to do. Really, really let this sit and cool. I probably, in all honesty, only waited 5, 6, 7 minutes because I got tired of waiting. But the longer you wait, the more it'll set, the better the curl will be. There you go, just kind of showing you what it looks like. Again, I did this really fast. My cleaners were coming to the salon today and I had to hurry up and get out of the salon before they got there. So I really did rush this. But you know what? It's really cute. Wait till the end. It turned out fabulous. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Okay, once you're sure that this is nice and cool and that it is set, then you can start taking those rollers out. That first roller I took out was just the blow dry, so it's just a very soft curl. It's not super crazy. This next one is the curling iron, so you can see it actually has a lot more curl because the hair was more hot. And so it had more setting to do as it cooled. This last one, like I said, it was a failure. I tried to hit it with the blow dryer to heat up the hair on the roller. Don't do that. It didn't work. It made a mess. So this other side that I'm taking out right now is all the curling iron. And so this is going to be the bouncier side. Again, the hair was more hot because the curling iron is hotter than my blow dryer. So the hair cooled down and set stronger because of the extra heat. This is my blow dry. Taking that guy out, and he's got a good amount of body. It actually, like I said, it does turn out really cute, and you'll see here in a minute. So I'm just going to run my hands through it. Then I'm actually going to brush it because it's mannequin hair, and mannequin hair gets tangly. And then you'll see she's adorable. So don't panic and overthink on a Velcro roller. Heat up the hair and let the hair cool down on the roller. That's really the whole concept behind a Velcro roller. So I'm using a little hairspray here just to kind of polish my finish style. Go polish that other side. But it's really cute. Like, even though it was a messy, quick, little fast thing, it's cute, you guys. It turned out good. Just really let that cool down. So here's my cute mannequin. Again, that was my blow dry side with my brush. And this other one, oh, there's the side. I have to show you the sides. This other side was my curling iron set. And bugging me that little hair is kind of being a weird spot. I think I fixed it. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Suzanne, for fixing that. But there you go. Bouncy, curly, lots of body. Velcro rollers. Don't be scared of them. They're coming in. She looks cute. See ya.